Hi, welcome to this course. We're going to be looking at modern JavaScript, and this course is for beginners. I'm trying to create an updated version for 2020. So what is JavaScript? Well, JavaScript runs the web. It's the base behind making a website dynamic. So a website that does anything at all is doing that because of JavaScript. So it's that important in the world of programming and in the world of web development. So you click on a button and it does something. You enter some information and you get a result. Everything that happens inside the websites that you visit every day, that happens because of JavaScript. So it's that powerful. If HTML creates the skeleton of the website, and CSS creates the design of the website, then JavaScript is the soul of a website. It makes the website come alive. And also because of the latest frameworks and libraries, JavaScript is no longer just delegated to web development. You can start creating mobile apps, desktop apps, servers of your websites, and a lot of other things with the JavaScript frameworks and libraries nowadays. But at the core, JavaScript is used for front-end web development, for creating web applications and websites. So what is modern JavaScript? What's the difference between the JavaScript that's being used in the past 5 years and the JavaScript that was used before? Well, the difference is the updates. Okay, so there has been an ECMAScript update, an international update of JavaScript after 2015, and it was a major update. It was called ES6, the sixth version of JavaScript, and this particular course will encompass all of those updates and also teach you the basics of JavaScript that has been used for the past few decades. It will combine the new updates with the old, and that's modern JavaScript. So that's what this course is going to be about. So you learn JavaScript, but the updated version. We'll be discussing all of the beginner topics of JavaScript in here, so everything that you need to get started in JavaScript. So we won't be discussing any of the advanced or some of the intermediate topics because I don't want to overwhelm you. Beginner topics are already very vast. You'll be learning all of the beginner topics in this particular course. We won't just be looking at your topics, not just the theory. We'll be looking at a lot of examples for every single topic that I'll be covering. So a lot of over-the-shoulder examples, a lot of code, a lot of real-world examples, and it's going to be very interesting. And after we finish with all of the topics, we'll also be looking at projects and puzzles. I'll be giving clear explanations and lengthy explanations for every single thing so you understand what each one is about. So nothing is left to doubt. That's what this course is going to be about. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and enroll in the course. I'll see you inside. Thank you.